Welcome to Lesson 2, Drawing Pictographs. In Lesson 1, we learned how to read bar graphs and pictographs. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to draw pictographs. So let's begin with an example. Billy asked the kids in his class what their favorite music is. And the choices that he gave his classmates were pop, rock, hip-hop, country, and other. He needs the other category because there are more than just 4 types of music. If somebody, for example, prefers classical music and they didn't see it on their list, they would have to choose the other category. So let's look at the results that he got. 4 people chose pop, 7 people chose rock, 9 people chose hip-hop, 3 people chose country, and 1 person chose other. So now he decided to take this information and create a pictograph. So Billy began by choosing a symbol or a picture to use in his pictograph, and since this was a survey about music, he decided to use a picture of an MP3 player. And he decided that 1 picture of an MP3 would equal to 2 students. So he went back to his survey and saw that 4 people chose pop. That would mean that he would have to put 2 MP3 players to represent 4 people. Just like that. 7 people chose rock, so he would have to put down 3 MP3 players for 6 people, but then to show the 7th person, he can use a half symbol or a half of an MP3 player to show 1 additional person, like this. So 3 full symbols and 1 half symbol represents 7 people. 9 people chose hip-hop. So here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and a half symbol for 1 more person is 9. 3 people chose country. How many symbols would that be? If you guessed 1.5, you are right. And finally, 1 person chose other. So we'll put half an MP3 player there. So there's Billy's completed pictograph for his survey that he did on favorite types of music in his class. In this lesson, we learned how to draw pictographs. So to begin with, you conduct a survey on a certain topic. Then when you begin drawing your pictograph, you start by putting in a title. Next, we have to pick a symbol or a picture to use in our pictograph. And we put that picture in a legend and tell how many each picture represents. And finally, we have different types of data or information on the left-hand side going vertically. So we call this our vertical axis. So these are different parts of our pictograph. So now it's your turn. You're going to have a chance to go and draw pictographs. So have fun with your pictographs, watch the video again if you need to, and ask your teacher for help.